Know the differences between AI, ML, and automation. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a term you've probably heard a lot about. It pops up in discussions about the latest tech, sci-fi movies, and even in conversations about the future of work and everyday life. But what exactly is AI? How does it relate to machine learning, and what role does something like ChatGPT play? And what about automation? How does that fit into the picture? In this video, we'll dive into these topics, breaking them down in a way that's easy to understand. By the end, you'll have a clearer idea of what these terms mean and how they're shaping our world. To start, let's understand what AI really is. Artificial intelligence is the idea of creating machines or software that can perform tasks which normally require human intelligence. These tasks include things like understanding language, recognizing pictures, making decisions, and solving problems. Think of AI as a super smart computer program that can learn and adapt. When you play a video game against a computer opponent that gets better the more you play, or when you ask your phone's assistant to set a reminder, you're interacting with AI. Levels of AI. AI comes in different levels, based on how smart and capable these systems are. The simplest form is called narrow AI. Narrow AI is designed to do one specific thing. It's very good at that one thing, but can't do anything else. For example, the spam filter in your email that catches junk mail is a type of narrow AI. It's great at identifying spam messages, but it can't help you with your math homework or play chess with you. Next up is general AI. This is the kind of AI that can understand, learn, and apply knowledge across a wide range of tasks, much like a human can. General AI doesn't just excel at one task, but can perform many different ones, switching between them as needed. Imagine a robot that can cook, clean, help you study, and even have a meaningful conversation with you about your day. As of now, general AI is still something we're working towards and hasn't been fully realized yet. Finally, there's super intelligent AI. This is a level of AI that would surpass human intelligence in every aspect. It wouldn't only perform tasks better and faster than humans, but also come up with ideas and solutions beyond human capabilities. This kind of AI remains in the realm of science fiction for now, as we're far from creating anything like it. Machine learning. Machine learning is a big part of AI, but it's more specific. It's a way to teach computers to learn from data. Instead of programming a computer with exact instructions for every possible situation, we give it lots of data and let it figure out patterns and rules by itself. Imagine you have a computer program that you want to teach to recognize cars in pictures. Instead of telling it exactly what a car looks like, you show it thousands of pictures of cars and thousands of pictures of other things. The computer analyzes these pictures and learns the patterns that make a car a car. This process of learning from examples is what machine learning is all about. ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a specific type of AI. It's designed to understand and generate human-like text based on the input it receives. If you've ever chatted with an online assistant that can answer questions or help you with tasks, it might be powered by something similar to ChatGPT. What makes ChatGPT unique is that it uses a technique called deep learning, which is a type of machine learning. Deep learning involves using very large networks of computers to learn from vast amounts of data, kind of like building a very complex brain for the computers. ChatGPT works by first being trained on a massive amount of text data from the internet. This process, called pre-training, helps it learn grammar, facts, and even some, very limited, reasoning skills. After this, it goes through fine-tuning, where it gets better at specific tasks by receiving feedback from the developers and you. When you ask ChatGPT a question, it uses all this learning to generate a response that makes sense based on the context. It's important to note that while ChatGPT is a form of machine learning, it's specifically designed for working with language, making it a narrow AI. Not all machine learning models are like this. Some might be designed to recognize images, while others might predict weather patterns. ChatGPT's main job is to understand and generate text, making it a powerful tool for things like chatbots. Automation. Automation is another concept that often gets mentioned alongside AI and machine learning, but it's different. Automation is all about making machines or software do tasks on their own without human help. These tasks are usually repetitive and follow a clear set of steps. For example, think about an automatic washing machine. Once you load your clothes and start it, the machine goes through a series of steps to wash your clothes without needing any further input from you. That's automation. Automation doesn't necessarily require AI. For example, a simple conveyor belt system in a factory that moves products from one place to another is automated, but it doesn't have any intelligence. It's just following a pre-programmed set of instructions. How do AI, machine learning, and automation differ from each other? Well, AI is the broad concept of creating intelligent machines. Machine learning is a specific approach within AI where machines learn from data. ChatGPT is a specific approach within machine learning called deep learning. And automation is about making machines or software perform tasks on their own, often without any need for intelligence. Automation is not AI. When you put them together, you get powerful systems that can do amazing things, like self-driving cars that navigate traffic on their own, or smart assistants that manage your daily tasks. AI concerns. As exciting as all these advancements are, it's important to think about the impact of AI, machine learning, and automation on society. One concern is job displacement. As machines become capable of performing more tasks, some jobs may become obsolete. For example, self-driving trucks could reduce the need for truck drivers, and automated customer service systems could replace human agents. However, new jobs will also be created in these areas, like AI development, data analysis, and maintenance of these systems. It's important for education and training programs to prepare people for these new roles. Another concern is privacy. AI systems often rely on large amounts of data to function effectively. This data can include personal information, like your browsing history, purchase habits, and even your voice recordings. It's important for companies to handle this data responsibly and ensure that it's protected from misuse. Regulations and policies are needed to ensure that AI is used ethically and that people's privacy is respected. There are also ethical considerations around AI decision making. For example, how do we ensure that AI systems are fair and unbiased? If an AI system is used to make decisions about things like job applications, loans, or medical treatments, it's crucial that these decisions are made fairly. Bias can creep into AI systems if the data they're trained on contains biases. For instance, if a hiring algorithm is trained on data where certain groups are underrepresented, it might unfairly disadvantage those groups. Researchers and developers are working on ways to identify and mitigate bias in AI systems to ensure they're fair and equitable. In addition to these concerns, there is the question of control. As AI systems become more advanced and autonomous, how do we ensure that we remain in control? This is especially important when it comes to AI systems that can make decisions on their own, like self-driving cars or automated weapons. Establishing clear guidelines and oversight mechanisms is crucial to ensure that AI is used responsibly and safely. Conclusion. AI, machine learning, and automation are fascinating and transformative fields that are reshaping our world. AI is the broad concept of creating smart machines. Machine learning is a way for these machines to learn from data, and automation is about getting things done without human help. As these technologies continue to evolve, they'll bring new opportunities and challenges. Understanding them is the first step to being a part of this inevitable future.